this case.
The State Agriculture Minister Amprin Lingdo informed that the Agriculture Department has created a portal for reporting of prices of agricultural and horticultural commodities from all districts, whereby prices could be tracked daily. Raising a supplementary question at the question hour during the budget session of the Assembly today, United Democratic Party MLA from Mukayao, Nujorki Sungo, pointed out that ginger farmers have to sell their products at Rs 2 to Rs 3 per kg, which is not sufficient to bear the amount they invest for their cultivation. Sungo urged the minister to take the matter seriously and make the market intervention scheme known throughout the state so that farmers could benefit from the particular scheme.
Has been benefited from this MIS, and I want to know how much.
So the market intervention scheme, or the MIS, is an ad hoc scheme implemented by the Department of Agriculture Corporation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, for procurement of agricultural and horticultural commodities in the states. Lakadong, turmeric, for example, is a USP of the state. We are working on ginger. We're working on the pineapple. So in fact, through the various interventions, we have formed the FPOs, the FPCs. So we are also looking at provision of marketing facilities through the collective marketing centers.
The office